Well, hello and welcome once again to the Waters and Stanton video channel. This is a very short video. Yaesu UK have just released some footage of a couple of their two new FM radios which feature this Super DX facility. Basically, Super DX means to say that there's preamplification and also noise reduction added at the same time. And it was claimed that this has quite a dramatic improvement in the performance of the receiver on reception. In other words, it cuts down the background noise and increases the signal strength at the front end. Well, a couple of videos here which I've pinched from Yaesu UK. I'm sure they won't mind because it's a demo video to advertise the features of these two radios. And take a listen for yourself and see what you think.
Returning. Okay. Well, in all fairness, probably ideal conditions to demonstrate the new noise reduction. So that's probably favourable. But copy is fine. No problem at all. Yeah, signal came up a little bit on that last phone, but very clear audio. So using the FT3185 here.
Well, that was the FT3185, the higher powered version. That's got a top facing speaker. I think it's top facing. A few artifacts there. I'm not quite sure whether the noise reduction can be varied. It probably can, but I haven't actually got one to try out. A few artifacts, but it does certainly improve the reception quite dramatically. Now we're going to look at the FT3165, which is a lower power version. It's only 20 watts lower, but that's got a forward facing speaker, and it sounds quite impressive actually. I'm going to take a look.
Yeah, all good, Carl. Good to hear you. G1GRD receiving. 7AFT, G1GRD returning. Excellent, good start. Oh, very exciting with the new radio. Looking forward to seeing that and having a play, and the noise reduction system on there, so very good. And this is the FT3185, which I use from the shack at all times nowadays.
Well, quite impressive, isn't it? Certainly the preamp makes a difference, and also the noise reduction seems to make quite a dramatic difference. Bear in mind this is FM, none of these radios have digital modes on them, but it just shows you how you can improve the FM performance of the receiver side of these radios. You can judge for yourself whether you think it's a feature worth having. I think it is, if we judge this demo to be representative, as I'm sure it is, of the performance of these radios. So Yaesu call it the Super DX feature, and these radios are now in stock, and if you're interested in buying one or want to do part exchange or whatever, give us a call and we'd be glad to assist you. In the meantime, thank you for the support on this channel. Thank you for watching this short video. You enjoy your home radio, and as usual I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.